Yeah, welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add ChatGPT into your Google Sheet. You don't have to be spending much time on your worksheet in this era of technology where ChatGPT is making things easy for everyone. Even if you are a beginner in spreadsheet, this software should be able to help you to automate your works and make it very easier. So let's go. Let's see how we can install ChatGPT, okay, and add it into our spreadsheet for easy work. So let's go. So first of all, we go to our Google Sheet. If you are logged into your Google account, go to Sheets. So we got that, and then we open a new sheet. Okay, after that, open a new window and search for this numerous.ai. Press enter. Yes, and there we have it. Just press install. Yes, so when you press install, it takes you here. I have already installed it, but what you see here is, on your case, you will see install here. So click on that, and that's it. ChatGPT is automatically installed onto your Google Sheet. So let's go to our sheet and see what's happening there. So let's see what we can do. Go to extensions, go to add-ons, and then you can go and add it there. But in my case, I've already added it. So you can see here I have the numerous.ai here. Click on show sidebar. Yeah, and there we have it. These are some of the things that we can use the numerous.ai to do. So we have the different functions here. We have the equals to AI that is used to answer questions and extract information for you. Equals infer function. The infer functions you can use it to categorize things. So if there are comments, you can see whether this comment is positive or negatives instead of typing that manually. We have the write functions that we can use to instruct ChatGPT to write a message or a text for you. And also, interestingly, we have the formula, the generate formula function, where you can tell ChatGPT what functions you are trying to generate. So you just type your problem there, and then they'll be able to give you, ChatGPT will be able to give you the function that you need or the formula that you need to work. This is quite simple and seamless, guys. This is a game changer software. And then we have the explain formula. So if there is a function that you don't understand or a formula that you don't understand, you can tell ChatGPT to explain that function to you or that formula to you. It's quite simple. So let's try something. I will make another video extensively to demonstrate how or some of the things that we can use this to do in our spreadsheet. But for this video, I want to make it short. So let's just try something here. So we have an employee email here. So now we have this list of employees and we want to generate their first name or the name of the employees. We can simply tell ChatGPT to do this and it will populate our column for us. So let's look at this. So this column will be the employee name. So now let's use ChatGPT to work this magic out. Let's see. Go to extensions, and then we go to our numerous.ai, show sidebar. So let's see which formula can be used to extract an information from a column or from a cell. Now let's see that these formulas here, is there something there that can do something for us? All right, so now I don't know what formula to use. Okay, I don't know what formula to use. Yeah, there's one here, but let's pretend we don't know what formula to use. So let's just go here, go to the generate formula. Okay, so let's tell what ChatGPT to do. Then extract. We want it to extract the text extract text before. Okay, so we are telling ChatGPT to extract all the text in A3 before the at. Okay, and that's what's going to give us the employee. Good. So here we have it. You can see what are we having. It's giving us a formula equals to left A3 find at sign and then A3 minus 1. Okay, so we can just be in our in the cell in which we want that formula to be and press insert into cell, or you can copy and paste it there. So let's just insert into cell and see. There it goes, bam, and we have our name there. It has extracted the name, which is what, Walter, in there. So as usual, we know what to do to populate. Double click here and we have everything. This is just one of the most basic thing we can use this to do. We can do a whole lot of things with this, and it will make your work so simple, very, very simple for you and seamless. Okay, so subscribe and like this video and watch out for my next video, because I'll be using this ChatGPT to solve a lot of data analysis questions. We can do a lot with ChatGPT in our Google Sheets. So stay tuned, subscribe, like this video and put on the notification button so that when I post the new video you will have it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.